Hey guys, I'm Ryo Takahashi. I'm a cinematographer, director based in Tokyo, Japan. So today I'm gonna be talking about the breaking down of my past work. So let's get started. So let's take a look this some stills I picked up from my past commercial video. So yeah, this is the indoor house studio scene shot by ARRI Alexa Classic. Then this commercial is some kind of, montage type commercial. There are three families, and I shot them different location, and and expressing the different type family. Here's some still from this commercial, and I wanna explain. I wanna breaking down this scene. Here's a mother and then here's a daughter and talking each other and enjoy breakfast. And this is a morning scene. And okay, so here's a little close-up shot, and here is a more closing up shot. So these three shots is the same lighting, and then I didn't change anything from this wide angle shot. I set the lighting for this wide angle shot and move the camera to this angle and move to this close-up angle, right? So here's a overview this scene. I want more explain this lighting setup. Overview is like this, and then camera is the ARRI Alexa Classic, and then put the ARRI Alexa to the Dana Dolly, and then I wanna, create some movement, the left to the right to the left. I want to add the, kind of feeling, kind of more, quality to this scene. The lighting is super simple. I used the one light. It's Aputure 300X. So here's outside of the window. We cannot see the window entire scenes, but there is the window. Yeah. I put my aperture outside this window. I used the auto bounce 6x6. I hang up this white bounce and this aperture right toward this auto bounce and bounce back and then toward this actor. So this type lighting is called the book light. So I created some booklight for this scene, and I want to get the more soft light, so I used this sear to this window, right? So this kind of setup, super simple, but we can get some nice soft light, and the result is here, right? So C is main actor for this commercial. There is the window here and the sear, and the lights coming from this direction and then hit hard left side. So this is a super nice key light. And go to the next close-up shot, and then this is the same lighting. So key light direction is from here and hit her face and a little edge light and then nice key light. And I didn't put the negative fill at this time because this commercial concept is happier atmosphere and a more brighter image is required, so I didn't put the negative fill. I only used the natural Aputure 300 for the key light. Alright. And then go to the wide shot. The wide shot is gonna be as usual, adding some more depth of the scene. So depth is this shape light to the background. I prepped this kind of pre-production seat. I used the Sunseeker. That is a pre-production application for the filmmakers. And then Sunseeker can find out the sun direction, the sun angle, and exactly the shooting time. So I simulate this sun direction and the angle. So I can get the super nice natural sunlight from this window. And why I use this sunlight? Because I cannot put the light this location. So there is no space to put the light to the this window. So I should use this sunlight, right? So the calculation, then find out the sunlight direction and angle. This is super important if you want to use this sunlight. So Sun Seeker is super helpful tool to find out this kind of information, right? Beforehand the shooting. Anyway, so this sunlight coming from this window and hit this wall. Yeah, like this, right? So super simple lighting setup, but we can create super natural, good feeling in this scene. I want to explain another scene in the same location and at the same time because we have to shoot the daily life of this family. So these scenes are the morning shot, enjoy the breakfast and a meal, and then talking each other and laugh at each other. And also we have to shoot the evening scene in this location at the same day. So maybe this morning shot is actually morning time, maybe the 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. and we have to change this lighting and we recreate the evening lighting at the morning time. So the overview is here. We move this aperture light to indoor this location, this spot, and I put the aperture runtime 70, press SCART. So what is this lighting? So this lighting is gonna be like this. So this photo is taken in another different location, but same setup. So here is the aperture 300 and put this aperture runtime. This runtime makes super soft light without any equipment, right? So I recommend this super simple but big soft light, and I will avoid the spread out everywhere from this runtime. I want to kill this spill out this lighting source. So I put this SCART because this aperture runtime set has this runtime includes the black SCART. So I use and then I set these kind of style, right? This is a key light for the second scene, and I set that this aperture white balance to the 3200 Kelvin, and the daylight is at 5600 Kelvin. So I change this Kelvin, and then this makes some tungsten feeling light, and then this light hit toward the main actor. She's the daughter, right? So this is a mainly change this setup for the evening scene. And then there is a problem. The problem is we have to avoid this super bright sunlight toward the window because this scene is, I want to express the evening. So evening is no sunlight coming from the window, so I should kill this sunlight. So I block the sunlight using these kind of negative, and they attach this like a cotton. I create this kind of margin because little spread out your sunlight and hit the little hard left side. This side is from the aperture key light. This is a 3200 Kelvin, and the left side little bit spread out from the window, and then this hit the hard this side, and this makes 5600 Kelvin. So this is super nice evening scene, and then you can create this kind of feeling simple, and this is super easy, and I choose this super simple white because one is there is no time and then resources around this location, so we have to move the quick. It's like a land again, and we have to check the footages and then go to another location. So this one key light lighting is super nice way to capture this natural scene. If I have a time, I want to more adding the little bit practical light or something, but fair enough. Lighting, I guess, even if this kind of simple light, if you use the ARRI Alexa sensor, maybe you can capture the gorgeous image. So yeah, I used a lot of gears, a lot of cameras, but if I used the DSLR camera and I shot the same scene in this location by using the DSLR, maybe there is huge difference. Huge difference between the ARRI camera and the DSLR. So in my channel, I want to talking about the ARRI camera, a lot of things, but this is kind of another proof ARRI's power, ARRI sensor power, right? So thank you for watching. I hope this video helped your filmmaking. Bye.